Hello teachers. So hopefully you've had a little chance to set up your OneNote books. The children hopefully are going to now start to get access to their accounts. So the next thing that we need to be doing is starting to actually create some content for our OneNote class books. So I've created a little book called Test Account. I'm missing here children's names, again for confidentiality reasons, but you should be able to see on your books all of your children's names. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a little section. So I'm going to click Section, and it might be that I have a mathematics section or numeracy or whatever you want to call your subject, section name, click OK. This will then create like a little section. It's like a little online book. And then the next one I'm going to click here is another little section, and I might put my reading or maybe your phonics or however you want to sort of set up your classrooms. So these are like your little books. And now within each book, you can start to create pages. So I'm going to go back to the maths book. And in here, I've actually already got a page, and you can add as many of these as you like. So it might be week 1, week 2, week 3 for each of your lessons. So let's say I call this week 1 or Monday or Tuesday or however you want to set up your classrooms. Now in here, you can then, it's like a little book, you can start to put bits and pieces together. So it might be, today we will be working on power maths, for instance. You then might want to put a little picture to make it look visually pleasing. So I've got a little picture here at the ready. Now to take the pictures, you go right click and then you click copy image. You could also download the image, save image onto your computer. That's another option, but I'm just going to copy that image. I'm then going to go back to my test account. Now normally you would right click and then you would see paste. That shouldn't actually be working. Let me just say, yeah, it doesn't work. I was going to say it shouldn't be working. So when you're working inside OneNote, some of the features that you might be accustomed to using sort of work a little differently, and you have to use the shortcut keys. And these are your shortcuts. Control plus X for cut, Control plus C for copy, and Control plus V for paste. So what I need to do is I simply just click where I want my picture to go, and then I press Control, hold down the Control button, press V, and then that will add my picture into my document. So today we will be working on power maths, and then you can resize this as well if you need to make it a little bit smaller. And it may be that you then reference the specific activity or the page or what have you. You can also put worksheets in here, whatever you like. And the other thing that you can do is you can also maybe find a little maths activity. So maybe if you were looking at ABCR and you were looking for a little fun maths activity for them to do after they've finished their power maths activity. So you could click onto here. So addition with manipulatives. Obviously I haven't checked the game or anything to make sure it's appropriate, but I'm just to sort of show you what you can do. You can then click here to highlight the address. Again, right click. Hang on, click here, right click. There's some issues here, hang on. Oops. There we go. Right click, copy the address, again, go back to your account. So once you have finished, you can check out this game. Okay, and again, you're going to have to do the little Control plus V, and then that will be added. So when the children come on to their login accounts, they will be able to see the prep that you've set for them, but they're not going to be able to sort of edit or anything. And that's kind of, again, the starting point of this. Remember, this is a journey. We're working through this bit by bit, but hopefully this will give you a little bit of direction. And again, please reach out to me. Do let me know if you need something specific. But yeah, hope that helps. Okay, bye-bye.